Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amita Shah, Senior Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Medical Director at Apollo Cradle Miracles, Gurgaon. So today I am going to talk about an important topic, ectopic pregnancy. So what is ectopic pregnancy? Any pregnancy happening outside the uterine cavity is called an ectopic pregnancy. Usually it happens in the tube, and that is why we call it a tubal pregnancy. But sometimes it can happen in other locations as well. It can happen in the ovary, it can happen in the previous scar of a cesarean section, and anywhere else also in the pelvis. Now, why are we talking about ectopic pregnancy? Why is it so important? So, ectopic pregnancy, although rare, happens in maybe just 2 out of 100 pregnancies, is a very dangerous thing to happen. It can sometimes be life-threatening as well. So, it is very important that you suspect it at the earliest, diagnose it, and treat it at the earliest. So what are the signs and symptoms when you suspect that you could have an ectopic pregnancy? Now, any pregnancy happening in the body, whether it is an ectopic pregnancy or a normal pregnancy, would initially present with normal signs and symptoms of pregnancy. Like you would miss your periods, you would have nausea, vomiting, you can have bloating, you can have breast tenderness, etc. But if you start having pain in the lower abdomen, which is unbearable, which is a constant pain, which is just not going, if there is bleeding, if you feel dizzy, if you feel like you have fainting symptoms, or if there is rectal pressure, if any of these symptoms are present, then you must suspect that you may have ectopic pregnancy and you should visit your doctor. Now, how does the doctor diagnose that you have an ectopic pregnancy? The first test that the doctor would do is to get an ultrasound done, mostly a transvaginal ultrasound. The transvaginal ultrasound will help the doctor to diagnose the location of the pregnancy, whether it is inside the uterus, in the tubes, or elsewhere. Secondly, a blood test would be done, that is a hormonal test called the beta-HCG. Now, if the beta-HCG levels are significantly high, and on repeating the beta-HCG after 48 hours, there is doubling of the beta-HCG, then one is reassured that it is a healthy, ongoing intrauterine pregnancy. But if on 48 hours there is no doubling of beta-HCG seen, then there is high index of suspicion of an ectopic pregnancy. Now, what do you do if you have an ectopic pregnancy? Now, it is best to treat the ectopic pregnancy when diagnosed at the earliest, that is, when it doesn't rupture. An unruptured ectopic pregnancy can be managed medically. We usually give an injection called methotrexate, which is an anti-cancer drug, and it helps to kill the ectopic pregnancy cells inside the body. Unfortunately, if the pregnancy ruptures, if the ectopic pregnancy ruptures, now that becomes a serious complication. In that case, a laparoscopy has to be done. Sometimes, if you are in shock or if the vitals are too low, then maybe an open surgery would also be recommended. But mostly, ectopic pregnancies can be managed by laparoscopically. That means by means of giving 3 to 4 small cuts inside your abdomen. The telescope is introduced, the vision is there onto the TV monitor, and by visualizing the things in the abdominal cavity onto the TV monitor, either if the tube has ruptured, then maybe there would be need to remove the tube, which is known as a salpingectomy. But if the tube hasn't ruptured, then techniques can be used by, we can just give a small nick onto the tube and take out the ectopic pregnancy sac. After a laparoscopic surgery, you will be discharged in a day or 2 from the hospital, and you can carry on with your normal activities. The next question comes is that what do I expect for the future if I have had an ectopic pregnancy? Well, it is, there is evidence and enough cases have been seen where in about 70 to 85% of cases after the first ectopic, a normal healthy pregnancy can happen within 2 years, and you can deliver normally and successfully even after an ectopic pregnancy. Thank you.